As of February 2026, Fulton County has a favorite word: private. They're using the Ernest Williams Nestill case and new privacy bills like HB 1223 as a shield to keep body cam footage and audio evidence in the dark. But you can't hide what the law says is public. Fact: in March 2025, Judge Rachel Krause ordered the Fulton DA to pay over $54,000 for being openly hostile to open records. This isn't a theory, it's a court-ordered reality of bad faith. They aren't protecting privacy, they're protecting. Fulton County's favorite word is private when you ask for calls, text, or body cam. And HB 1223 is another move to narrow access to certain body cam videos involving a death. But on April 8th, 2025, the Georgia Supreme Court already ruled in State v. Brantley. There is zero expectation of privacy on a jailhouse phone. This is where fair use becomes your weapon. Whether it's the April 2024 Ernest Williams indictment or the January 2026 body cam footage of the FBI raid, the state uses loopholes to deny your access. Fair use is the law that keeps the truth live. If the records are public, the truth belongs to everyone, so Fulton County should stop making it so difficult.